Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn something more interesting from our GK book, lesson number 7, well known environmentalists. Okay, before starting this video, I just want to clear that what do you mean by environment, please? Okay, environment means all the physical surroundings on earth are called environment. The environment includes everything living and non-living things. People, animals, plant and all other living things rely on the non-living parts of the environment to survive. Okay. Now we have learned about the meaning of environment, right? So what does this environmentalism mean? Environmentalism means a concern about or an action started to protect the environment. Okay? So now another question is, who are these environmentalists? An environmentalist is a person who is concerned with protecting and preserving the natural environment. For example, preventing pollution, starting eco-friendly things, against to degradation of forests, all these kinds of things. Okay? So now let's learn about some of the environmentalists who have taken steps to save the environment from our country, India. Are you ready? He is Mr. Sundarlal Bhaguna and he is an Indian noted Garhwali environmentalist and Chipko movement leader. The idea of Chipko movement was of his wife and action was taken by him. He is Mr. Chandi Prasad Bhatt. He is an Indian Gandhian environmentalist and a social activist who founded the Sholi Gram Swaraj Sangh in Gopeshwar in 1964, which later became a mother organization to Chipko to go against this deforestation. She is Mrs. Sunita Narain. She is well-known environmentalist from Delhi. She has co-authored many books. She has received many awards including Padma Shri in 2005. She is Mrs. Vandana Shiva. Founded the less use of pesticides and synthetic fertilizers causes less contamination of soil. Got Right Livelihood Award also. He is Mr. Rajendra Singh, a waterman of India, because he is an active member of Jal Biradari working for protection of water resources. He is Mr. Swami Nigamananda. He is 34 years of old. Swami sacrificed his life to save river Ganga. He is Mr. Mahesh Chandra Mehta. He is the one who fought in Supreme Court against factories damaging Taj Mahal. She is Mrs. Medha Patekar, known for her role in Narmada Bachao Andolan. So children, till now we have learnt about what is environment, what is environmentalism and who are environmentalists also from our India, right? So we need to do our worksheet right now. So the first question is famous Indian environmentalist who led the Chipko movement. He is Sundarlal Bhaguna. Okay. Second one, he started Chipko movement in Uttarakhand. He is Chandi Prasad Bhatt. Third question, she is well-known environmentalist from Delhi. She is Sunita Narain. Fourth one, founded the less use of pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. She is Vandana Shiva. And fifth one, waterman of India is Rajendra Singh. Next one, the person who sacrificed his life for saving river Ganga is Swami Nigamananda. Seventh one, the one who fought against factories damaging Taj Mahal is Mahesh Chandra Mehta. And final one, known for her role in Narmada Bachao Andolan is Medha Patekar. Okay children, write the answers I have given in the worksheet. Now we will do another lesson children. Lesson number 9, National Heroes. The land of India has given birth to several great people. They have been nicknamed on the basis of their work done to the country. So let's learn about some of their nicknames and as well as the original names. He is Vallabhbhai Patel. Popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. And we call him Iron Man of India also. He is Subhash Chandra Bose, also called as Netaji. He is known for his role in India's independence movement, a participant of the non-cooperation movement and a leader of the Indian National Congress. He was a part of the more militant wing and known for his advocacy of socialist policies. He is Balagangadhar Tilak or Lokmanya Tilak. He was an Indian nationalist, teacher and an independence activist. Tilak was the first leader of Indian independence movement. The British colonial authorities called him the father of Indian unrest. He is Veer Savarkar. He was an Indian independence activist and a politician who formulated the Hindu nationalist philosophy of Hindutva. He was leading figure in the Hindu Mahasabha. He is Sheikh Abdullah, was a Kashmir politician who played a central role in the politics of Jammu and Kashmir, the northmost Indian state. Shahid Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist revolutionary whose two acts of dramatic violence against the British in India and an execution at age of 23 made him an folk hero of the Indian independence movement. Jai Prakash Narayan, popularly referred to as JP or Lok Nayak, was an Indian independence activist, theorist, socialist and political leader. Swami Vivekananda was an Indian Hindu monk. He was a chief disciple of 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. And we also call him Chachaji or Chacha Nehru. He is Ustad Kumaruddin Bismillah Khan, often referred by the title Ustad, was an Indian musician credited with popularizing the Shahnai, a subcontinental wind instrument of Oboe classes. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad was an Indian scholar, Islamic theologian, independence activist and the first education minister of India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or we call him as Mahatma Gandhi, was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule. And we call him Mahatma and Father of Nation also. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengal poet, writer, composer, philosopher and a painter. He reshaped Bengal literature and music and the writer of our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Sri Aurobindo was an Indian philosopher, yogi, guru, poet and nationalist. He joined the Indian national movement for independence from British rule. For a while was one of its influential leaders, then became a spiritual reformer. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was an Indian scholar, jurist, economist, politician and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against social discrimination toward the untouchables, who also supporting the rights of women and labor and the writer of Indian Constitution. Acharya Vinoba Bhave, Vinayak Narahari, Vinoba Bhave was an Indian advocate of non-violence and human rights, often called Acharya. He is the best known for the Bhoodan movement. Babu Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence activist, lawyer, scholar and subsequently the first president of India. He was an Indian political leader and lawyer by training. Gyani Zail Singh was the 7th President of India, serving from 1982 to 1987. Prior to his presidency, he was a politician with the National Indian Congress Party and held several ministerial posts in the Union Cabinet. Dhanapat Rai Srivatsava, better known by his pen name Munshi Premchand, was an Indian writer famous for his modern Hindustani literature. He is one of the most celebrated writers of the Indian subcontinent and he is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. So children, till now we have learnt about many famous people who worked for our country, India. Now let's do this worksheet, children. So you need to draw a matching line or the number matching with the nickname to their original name. In the video we have learnt all their nicknames and the original names. Now you need to do it on your own. First one is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, Veer Savarkar, Sheikh Abdullah, Shahid Bhagat Singh, Lokanayak Jayaprakash Narayan, Swami Vivekananda, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Ustad Bismillah Khan, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi Ji, Acharya Vinoba Bhave, Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, Babu Rajendra Prasad, Gyani Zail Singh, Munshi Premchand. Like these, you need to match with their nicknames to the original names. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.